Hello and welcome to German Made Simple, a channel where we discuss everything about the German language in a simple way. Today I'm going to introduce you to the first lesson, which is the nouns and the articles in German. So let's dive into it. Every noun in German has its article because it has a gender. Let me show you this on the screen. So all the nouns in German have articles because they belong always to a gender. About 50% for all nouns in German are feminine, as we can see here. About 1/3 or 34% of all nouns in German are masculine, and around 1/5 or 20% of the nouns in German are neutral. Today I want you to understand the defined and undefined articles in German. So what are articles? In front of every noun in German there is an article. It can be a defined article, an undefined article, but also possessive articles, demonstrative articles, and so on. Today we're going to see the defined article der, die, das, and the undefined articles ein, eine, and ein. Pay attention that in plural we have only defined articles. There is no undefined articles. So, like so in English. The articles give us information about the gender of the noun. Here we have the articles in nominative. Der Wolf, ein Wolf. Die Katze, eine Katze. Das Einhorn, ein Einhorn. Die Küken, Küken. Now let's see what is the difference between defined articles and undefined articles. The defined articles der, die, das are equivalent to the defined article in English, the. So, the cat will be die Katze, but the dog, it will be der Hund. The pig, it will be das Schwein. So, as you can see, in English we cannot see the gender of a noun through the article. In German, the articles, they tell us something about the gender, the grammatical cases, they carry information with them. Now let's see what is the difference between defined articles and undefined articles. We use defined articles when we talk about something that was defined or something that we mentioned already during the conversation or in the text. What does it mean? It means basically that we use defined articles to talk about something that was already defined, that we know already, that was mentioned maybe in the conversation before or in the text. If I take this example, der Junge holt die Zeitung, which means basically the boy gets the newspaper. Now in this case, using the defined article der Junge und die Zeitung, we know exactly which boy we are talking about and which newspaper we are talking about. This is why we use the defined articles here. We use defined articles also when we talk about something that is generally known or something, as we said it, that we already mentioned. If I say the ice is cold, this is an information that everybody knows. It is a general knowledge, it is natural, so I know that the ice is cold. If you want, ice is always cold. In our second example, we are talking about expressions that are generally known, like the Berlin Wall, the Chinese Wall, the Eiffel Tower, the Statue of the Liberty. Everybody knows or should know these expressions. Now, die Berliner Mauer ist weg, the Berlin Wall is gone. We need to use here undefined articles because it's a part of a general knowledge. Everybody knows which wall in Berlin we are meaning, as the Eiffel Tower as well, the Statue of the Liberty, etc. Undefined articles, however, give us the impression of talking about something that wasn't defined, nothing concrete, information that we don't know. If we go to the examples and see that der Junge holt eine Zeitung, the boy, he's getting now a newspaper. So we know which boy we are talking about, der Junge, the boy. It's somebody that we know. However, he's getting a newspaper and we don't know which newspaper we are talking about here. In the second example, the woman is talking to a child. We know exactly which woman, the woman, not a woman, the woman, so define article, because we think that the person we are talking to knows which woman, who is this woman. So the woman, define article, is talking to a child. We don't know this child in this case. Okay everyone, I hope this was clear and simple enough. And now let's move to the exercises. So here are some exercises. You can pause the video for now and copy them. The sense of the exercises is for you to see, to train and to learn how to use the defined articles and the undefined articles in German and what is the difference. If, for example, in this case I write the cow is reading a book or a cow is reading the book, what is the difference? In parentheses, after every noun you're gonna find its gender. So here for cow, Kuh, it's a feminine noun, so it will be die Kuh or eine Kuh. In the case of book, it's neutral, das Buch or ein Buch. And for here, for example, the movie, der Film, ein Film will be masculine. Please don't stop filling out these games and then ask questions. An exercise is always a good opportunity to learn vocabulary, to learn the plural form, so die Kuh, eine Kuh, I know it's feminine, I know that it's the defined and the undefined article, and die Kühe, I can also learn the plural form of this noun. As well as I can learn something about the syntax in German. So reading them aloud, translating them with dictionaries, learning vocabulary, seeing the syntax, how do I make a sentence in German. As you can see, there is always here in the first position we have the subject or the verb in the first position when it comes to a question. However, the subject doesn't have to be in the first position. What we always put in second position is the verb. Die Kuh liest, das Kind lacht, der Film beginnt. The conjugated verb is always in the second position in German. This was it for today, everyone. We finished with the first lesson about the defined and undefined articles in German. Please do your exercises and put questions down in the comments below this video. If this video was in any worth and any value for you, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. I wish you all a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next one.